In this video, I will show you how to change your name on Instagram without Facebook. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over right here to your profile icon in order to see this right here. So here's your profile. Just head over and click on these three lines. Click on this account center right here. Once you have clicked on that, it will load for a while in order to show you the Meta account center. So just wait for this to finish the loading process and to show you the actual account center for the Meta right here. So here's our account center. Now from in here, you can see this option for personal details. So the personal details right here will actually have your contact info and all of these things right here. And if you want to actually change your profile, so you can see in here your profile, and you can see in here your profiles for Instagram, Facebook, and likes. For example, let's try to change our name right here for our actual Instagram. And in here, you can see the name or username. So when you click on this name right here, you should be able to see in here the name. So you can see that you can actually type in it. And for example, you can just name this an app and then click on the save icon right here in order to save the profile name that you want to use for your Instagram. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.